Opening and closing the motion detector is very easy. To open it, grasp the detector in both hands, like this. Press lightly on the tab at the bottom of the detector, and the cover will pop open. To close the detector, first align the back and front pieces. Then, with just a bit of pressure, click the two parts together. The detector is now closed. To remove the PET mask, if you do not require PET immunity, start by opening the detector like this. The PET mask is the white plastic piece in the center. Press down gently on the metal clip and take out the plastic piece. That's it. The PET mask is removed. Inserting or replacing the motion detector's battery takes just a few seconds. First, open the cover, like this. Use a CR123A 3-volt lithium battery that's compatible with the detector. Make sure the battery is facing the correct direction. Once the battery is in place, close the cover. Secure the detector with a screw, and you're done. The flat surface bracket should be attached to the wall using screws or double-sided tape. To attach the detector to the bracket, hold the detector so you can see its back. You will see there is a slot right here. Turn the detector around and align the slot with this area on the bracket. Then slide the detector upwards until you hear a click, which lets you know the detector is correctly attached. And finally, secure the detector with a screw, like this. To install this motion detector at a corner, you'll need these parts and tools. The corner bracket plaque with back tamper, 2 Phillips head screws, a power drill, and the motion detector. The detector can be installed with the back tamper or without. If you do not want back tamper protection, drill 2 screw holes here. If you do want back tamper protection, insert 2 screws here, on the other side, by the back tamper. Once the bracket is secured in the corner, slide the detector along the bracket. After you hear a click, secure the detector with a screw. You can also install the corner bracket on a flat surface by adhering one side to the wall, so the detector faces a 45-degree angle, left or right, and the back tamper option is always activated. To remove the detector from an installed bracket, first remove the screw and open the cover. Then remove the battery. As you can see, there's a slot in the top section of the detector. Take a screwdriver, press it lightly into the slot, and slide the detector downwards, so it is released from the bracket and easy to remove.